Hello kids, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Kids, this is your Shushmita ma'am. Today we are going to learn about, yes, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Okay, today we are going to learn about the places of worship. Yes, today we will learn about the places of worship. Can you tell me kids? What is meant by worship? Yes. Worship means to show a lot of love and adoration towards something. So kids, we all worship God. Yes or no? We all worship God. That means we all love God so much. Yes, we all love God so much. And we know that God always protects us and God loves us so much. Okay, so to worship means is to show love and adoration towards something. Okay, now kids, tell me why we worship God. Yes, why do we worship God? We all worship God because we are thankful to Him. Yes, God always helps us and motivates us to do good things in our life, and we are always thankful to Him. So, to show our love and thankfulness towards God, we worship Him. Yes, because God loves us so much. Okay, so we worship God because, yes, very good. We worship God because to show our love and affection towards God and to say lots of thank you to God for whatever He has done for us. And we also worship God to seek His blessings in our life. Okay? Can you tell me how do we worship? We worship in different ways. Yes. Kids, first of all, tell me, you study in a class, in a school. Yes, there are so many children. Yes, and even in your class, there are so many kids studying with you. And some child are Hindus, some childs are Muslims, some childs are Christian, and even some childs are Sikh. So kids, we all study together in a class. Yes, and do you know, all these children belong to different religions. Yes, some are Hindus, some are Muslim, some are Sikh, and some children are Christian. And so, belonging to different religions, they all have different places of worship. Yes, they go to worship God at different places. So, our today's topic is also about the places of worship. First, we will learn about where Hindus go to worship. Hindus, yes, where does Hindus go to worship? So let me tell you, Hindus go to worship in a temple. Yes, temple. 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 Hindus worship in a temple. Yes, Hindus worship different kinds of gods such as Lord Shiva, Ma Durga, Ma Kali, yes, Goddess Durga, Goddess Kali, Lord Ganesh, and there are so many gods and goddesses which Hindus worship. Yes, they go to temple to worship God. Yes. Now kids, look here. I am showing you one of your friend. Yes, see here. he is one of your friend and he is a Hindu. Now he goes to temple for prayer. Yes, to worship God, he goes to a temple. Okay. Now kids, let us learn about the place of worship of Muslims. Yes, the place of worship of Muslims. So kids, can you tell me where does Muslims go to worship? Yes. So Muslims go to worship in a mosque. Muslims go to worship in a mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. Muslims pray to Allah in a mosque. Yes, Muslims pray to Allah in a mosque. So kids, now tell me, where does Muslims go to pray? Yes, very good. Muslims go to pray in a mosque. Now see here, he is one of your friend. Yes, he studies with you and he is a Muslim. So, where he will go to worship? Yes, very good. He will go to worship in a mosque. Very good. Now kids, do you know where does Sikh go to worship? Yes, the place of worship of Sikh is Gurudwara. Yes, Gurudwara is the place of worship of Sikhs. G-U-R-U-D-W-A-R-A. Gurudwara. G-U-R-U-D-W-A-R-A. Gurudwara. They worships Vaheguru in Gurudwara. Now see here kids, he is one of your friend and he is a Sikh. Yes, he is your friend, studies with you and he is a Sikh. Now can you tell me where he will go to worship? Yes, very good. He will go to worship in a Gurudwara. He will go to worship in a Gurudwara. Very good. Now kids, tell me everybody, where does Christians worship? Yes, Christians. Where does Christians worship? The place of worship of Christians is church. Yes, church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. So kids, Christians worship in a church. They pray to Jesus Christ in a church. Okay. Now look here. He is one of your friend and he is a Christian. Now where he will go to worship? Yes, tell me everybody. Very good. He will go to worship in a church. Yes, he will go to worship in a church. So kids, we have learned that there are different religions and people of different religions go to different places of worship. But the God is only one. Yes, we all love God and God also loves us a lot. Okay. So let us do the revision one more time. Okay. See here, he is your friend. Yes, he is your friend Ramu. He is a Hindu. Yes, and where he will go to worship? Tell me. Very good. He will go to worship in a temple. He will go to worship in a temple. Now, he is one of your friend. Yes, he studies with you and he is a Muslim. So, where he will go to worship? Yes, very good. He will go to worship in a mosque. Very good. Look here, kids. Question number 3. He is your friend Gurjit. Yes, he is your friend Gurjit. He is a Sikh boy. He is a Sikh boy. So, where he will go to worship? He will go to worship in a Gurudwara. Yes, he will go to worship in a Gurudwara. And the last question, question number 4. Look here, he is your friend John. He is your friend John. John is a Christian boy. John is a Christian boy. Now tell me where he will go to worship. Where John will go to worship. Very good. John will go to worship in a church. John will go to worship in a church. So, these are the different places of worship for different religions. Hope you all have understood. Take care of yourselves. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.